Hello, welcome everybody. I'm Deanna from Nana's Journey, and today we're going to do block 2 from Bunny Hill Designs Le Jardin, which means the garden, or as us English people say, Le Jardin. So I've got my pattern here. It's this block right here, and I have all of my pieces cut out for the whole quilt actually, but I've got them separated into blocks. And what you do is you just trace this onto some heat and bond light and do a rough cut, and then we will iron these onto the back side of the fabrics that we want to choose. So now we need to choose our fabrics. Okay, in the block 1 video, I showed you my fabric collection, and I went through my stash and I found 2 more that will go with it. This one is Bella Solid's Flax, and this one is Bella Solid's Stone. So I'm going to add these to my collection, and I am going to use this one for part of the background, if I can get it open, and this. So this will be the top piece, the bottom piece. I'm going to use this as the side strip again. So that will be our background. Okay, I think I've got it figured out. Remember this, and this one are my background. For the fence, I don't know if you can tell, but she's got 2 different fabrics there. 3 of these posts are a print, and the other are it's a tone on tone, it's not solid. So I'm going to use the stripe and this flowered one for the other posts. I'm going to use the stripe for the stems here and the stems here. These will be the leaves for here. These will be the leaves for here. And for the larger tulips, I will be using this one here. And I will be using this one for the smaller tulips. So let me get the background put together, and then we will iron the pieces to the fabric. Okay, I've got the fabric for the stems, and I'm just going to place that on there and iron it down. And that is all stuck on there. And I believe this one is the large tulips. And this is directional fabric, so you need to be careful when you're doing directional fabric. I want to put the bundle right on the flower. Okay, that's how it's done, and I will just continue on, and I will meet you when I'm done. Okay, I've got my background on this light box so that I can see. I've got all my pieces cut out, and it's kind of hard to see without the light box. It's hard to see through. So what I'm going to do, this is a Crafty Mint light box. Any light box will do. I'm just going to take my pen and make some registration marks. I'm not going to draw everything, just enough guidelines to lay it out. I just realized I'm using a friction pin, which erases with heat, so when I iron this stuff on, the registration marks are going to go away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on this part. I can probably do this part without the registration marks. Okay, I'm going to use red for the whole thing. I've also got red in my bobbin. My stitch length is 0.8, my stitch width is 1.9, and I'm going to start with doing these little sections here because I don't like backtracking. That's too much thread buildup for me. So I'm going to take the time to do these, then I'll go around here. Then I'll do the stems, leaves, flowers, and we'll be done. And there we have it. There is block 2 all finished. Thank you, and join me for block 3.